1971 Ford F100 to take a look at here. Unique, especially in classics. Regular cab, a long box, 302 powered underneath the hood that is paired up with a automatic transmission, power steering, and as you can see, it does have a little rust on it in different areas. Front fender, some cab corners, some of your usual places. Now we'll start this up here at the end, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. It's one if you want to just drive it the way it is. Have a classic truck, take it to the next level. Guess that is up to the next owner. Go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, headlights, surrounds, front grille. Now, if you want to see this pickup truck at every angle, check out the still pictures of the underside, interior engine bay. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, kind of same area on this side here. This would be prairie yellow and Wimbledon white, which would be the original color of this truck, which appears to be original paint also. So kind of say it's in its patina, you might say. Bottom of the doors there. Interior is a black vinyl bench seat, rubber flooring, black and white, and that also looks very original. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up here in just a minute for you also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Custom trim level. This little marker light back here, FYI. Left the tailgate down so we can take a look at the box of it. And again, still pictures. You'll be able to see this truck from every angle, probably 80-90 pictures of this truck online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pictures. Not too bad above the rear wheel wells and around them. Again, back up to the cab corners and then that front door a little bit. But again, drive it the way it is. Or if somebody wants to do some restoration work on it, take it to the next level, here you go. This is actually a very early built truck. Was kind of neat to see. You take a look at the VIN number. It's 00722. So actually the 722nd truck, or probably 722nd Ford built in 1971. Model year is actually made in July of 1970. Little there too. Would need some attention if you're going to do anything with it other than drive it. Appears to be original vinyl seat. Do have some wear on that. Looks like original rubber flooring. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Odometer reads 66,979. Cannot confirm or deny if that is original miles on it, due to the fact that the miles will not stay with the title. Once the vehicle is so old, they just get marked exempt. There's that 302 underneath the hood firing up. You can see that the fuel gauge is working. That was a cold start, so there's temp gauge is not going to be moved at all. We're going to let it warm up here a little bit. I have had the Philco radio working, which I believe would be the stock radio for this truck.
And the money that you get mathematically
works great. And again, wipers do work. Take a look at the dash. Double crack at the top of the dash there, FYI. All right. See if she's warmed up enough. Slip around to the back, let you run. Sounds like you'd assume a 71 302 F100 to sound. Nothing crazy over the top. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. It's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. So let me pause this a second. We'll quick check out this engine bay and wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go. Just what you'd expect. Again, power steering. The 302 is paired up with an automatic transmission. Looking very stock and patinaed underneath the hood as well. Smooth running engine, though. Sounds good. 71 Ford F100 pickup, regular cab, long box, custom. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.